In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your controller not control your mouse in Windows Team settings. If your controller keeps nudging your mouse cursor around the desktop, what you're seeing is Team's input system translating controller movement into mouse movement. This can be useful in big picture mode, but it's annoying when you just want your controller to stay quiet outside of games. We'll turn off that behavior at the source, and then make sure the desktop layout isn't mapping your sticks or trackpads to the mouse. Start by opening Steam and heading into Settings. Once you're there, go to the Controller section. This is where Steam manages how different controllers are detected and what features are enabled for them. Look for the option labeled Steam Input for your controller type, like Xbox Configuration Support, or the one that matches your specific device. Toggle that setting off. Turning this off tells Steam to stop globally converting controller input into actions, which helps prevent the mouse from being controlled when you're on the desktop. Don't worry, you can still play games that support your controller natively. This only changes how Steam's input layer handles it at the desktop level. Next, stay in the controller area and scroll to the desktop configuration. Click Edit, or click the small settings gear icon, depending on how it appears for you. This screen shows what each button, stick, or touchpad does when you're not in a game. If any of those are set to mouse or mouse joystick, that's why your cursor moves. To shut that off cleanly, select the disabled layout from the recommended options. Apply the configuration. Choosing disabled clears out those desktop mappings so the controller no longer emulates a mouse when you're in Windows. It's a safe choice because it won't interfere with controller behavior once you're actually inside a game that supports it. That's it. Thanks for watching.